Hi all, welcome back to my channel. So today what I'm going to do is super juicy cheese omelette. Alright, so let's see the ingredients. So basically I'm using 2 eggs here, 2 chopped cherry tomato, some chopped garlics, 1 cheese cut into 4 slices, some basil leaf, butter, 2 to 3 drops of chicken stock. So here I'm using ayam brand chicken stock, and some black pepper, adding the tomato to the egg, the basil leaf, pepper, just mix it well. Add in the chicken stock, just mix it well. Okay, you can actually add in the butter. You also can use olive oil, but using butter I think will have a nicer taste. You can add the chopped garlic, just fry the garlic until it turns to golden brown. Pour the eggs. Let it slightly cook before can add the cheese. You can add the cheese now. Okay, you need to cook the omelette until you can see the cheese is slightly melting. Okay, my cheese omelette is ready. Slowly take it out and put in the plate. You can see the cheese is super juicy, right? Ta-da! My cheese omelette is ready for breakfast. It's really nice to have breakfast with my hot tea. Happy eating! I'm going to cut a small piece for my baby. Hope she liked it. Try, baby. Yummy! Wow, looks like she liked it. Thanks for watching my videos. If you like this channel, please thumbs up, subscribe and share.